What's up once again? I finally got this right. I think I did a little screw up earlier. So, what's up, guys? What's up once again? This is my birthday. Hi, Shamali. This is going too quick. Ashwari. Wow, this is happening to a Crystal fan. Rana. Okay, I can't keep up. Thank you so much. I just see a lot of birthday wishes coming in, and it's a great feeling. Ashna, Harjot, Prishni, Rolly. Hi, everybody. Wow, this is too fast for me to catch up. But thank you so much, guys. Honestly, you all have made my birthday so much fun. This has been ecstatic. I have thoroughly enjoyed myself, and I'm just totally loving. I'll give you a little look of what my it's all birthday like everywhere, and it is because of all of y'all. Well, this periscope is gonna it's gonna take time to get used to. But thank you so much. I swear to God, I wish this could go a little slower so I could read this. What's up? What's up, everybody? Thank you so much. Saying hi to everybody who's saying say hi. The names are just going back too quick. But thank you so much. All these decorations are thanks to you guys. It's nothing with me or my family for that matter, except those really huge balloons my friend Rajiv got last night because he's adorable. But thank you. Need your hello, Princess Barbie. Coming to Delhi soon? No, yeah, I'm not coming to Delhi soon. Lots of love from England. Thank you very much. From Manchester, Spain, Pakistan, Amritsar, Delhi, Sydney. Thank you. Dinner plans. Well, I actually, I was in the middle. I'm a little embarrassed to say this, but I actually went out for a run. So I've just come back from a run. I'm going to grab a quick dinner at home, and I'm going to head out to party. Hi from New York, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Singapore. What's up? Sydney. Hope you caught me. Of course, at Bulgaria. Nice. Lahore. Salam alaikum. I really want to come to Pakistan. There's so much love that just keeps coming in. So definitely, I wish that I can, figure a way out to kind of, make this happen. बड़ा मजा आएगा यार, just to see all you guys in person and for you guys to see me in person probably. So definitely soon. Germany, so many people from so many places. Yeah, China, Ahmedabad, Gujarat. I feel like I'm talking really fast because this is just like non-stop. It's just like going crazy. Wow. Hold on. Amritsar, Saudi Arabia. What's up, Manchester? Somebody said say hi to Manchester. What's up, Manchester? Nottingham, China, Mauritius, Hyderabad, Saudi Arabia. I'm so happy I've logged on at the right time that everybody is right here, and it's not inconvenient for everybody else's time zones. Thanks to Twitter India for that matter for kind of curating this and putting all this together. I'm looking damn hot. Thank you, yaar. I love these compliments. But no plans to travel anytime soon. As much as I would love to, but no, nothing's really happening right now. I don't know what is that. But yeah, somebody asked me about IFA in Madrid. Yeah, man, definitely I'm going to be there in IFA. यार मेरे बिना थोड़ी होगा IFA. So when I do come to Madrid, you should totally come hang out with me. In fact, show me the city. Yeah, take me around. I would like that. London. Somebody saying hi from London. Thank you very much. I miss it. I was there last year. Would have totally enjoyed coming back this year. All right, hold on. Let me take some questions. If you guys go a little slow. Damn. Somebody said hi from Punjab. Kidda? Yes, I do love chocolates, but stop sending me chocolates. It's just killing me. हमें भी देख लो. किसने कहा हमें देख लो? देख लिया मैंने. बड़ा फटाफट ऊपर जा रहा था, पर मैंने फटाफट देख लिया. Las Vegas. अरे यार, I really want to come to Vegas. That heat kills me. But I think next time around I'm going to plan better and I'm going to come a little towards, the winters. Somebody said hi from Morocco. What's up, my Moroccan fan? Man, a lot of love coming in from Pakistan. Yeah, hi, everybody. Whoever says hi from Pakistan. Yay. Somebody says, show me your hairs. I can't show you my hair because I have not done anything to it. The cap usually for every actor, let me just tell you, is a disguise. Every time they've not done their hair, it's just an easy save. You throw on a cap, life is easy. Remember the return gate? Of course, this is my idea of giving it back, yeah? This should be fun. Malaysia, what's up, Malaysia? More people from Pakistan. Oh wow, lots of people from Russia. Indonesia. I'm looking damn hot. Thank you very much. Ask me some questions. Let me answer some questions for you guys. Lots of love from Oxford. Oxford, really? Yes, thank you. You know, I swear to God, the last time I looked back at the, the Periscope that I did, I sounded a little retarded. I think I need to control when I speak. Vizag, what is that? How do you say it? Philadelphia, what's up, people? Norway, Birmingham. Did you like the cupcakes? I did. Is that somebody from China? Thank you so much. I got the cupcakes from Sheetal. And just to tell you, by the way, Sheetal's a really dear family friend of mine. She's practically like family, and we absolutely love the cakes that she makes. So thank you so much. I got them, and I realized, and she told me how much trouble you had to go through to bring them to me. Thank you very much. And everybody who's sent in so many flowers, sent in so many bouquets, sent in, gifts. Thank you very much. Sent in cards. Some gift segments I did from a year old, which is bizarre. But thank you about that. And I know there's some pending segments. Even those will be done. I know some of you all detest me that it's been late to do it, but yes, it will be done. Yes, if you do come to India, of course I'll meet you. Yeah? In fact, if you do come to India, you do let me know. I will meet you. Visiting Punjab soon. In fact, I just spoke to my mamu and everybody in Punjab. I totally want to come to Punjab. In fact, I want to do like a nice road trip. Just like go around, take a car and just drive from Jalandhar to Amritsar and to Chandigarh and probably then go to Shimla and you just hang out in the mountains. So yeah, when that happens, I think mostly towards the winters. Because abhi to badi garmi hai, mar jaunga main garmi mein. Oh, somebody said I look hot in bandana. Thank you very much. All set to party. Yeah, totally, man. I can't wait. Yeah, I can't wait. I think it's just a matter of few hours. What time is it right now? Yeah, so it's just a matter of few hours. I think I should be getting ready. When I do get ready, shall put you a picture. Peacock Feather Scrapbook. I just saw that fly by. Thank you so much. That scrapbook is beautiful. Even the one that you sent me last time was really nice. This one's like elaborated. Like it's huge. I love it. I don't believe I just said elaborated, but yeah, it's elaborate. It's nice. Excited for the party? Of course I'm excited for the party. When am I coming to Indonesia? Not anytime soon. Bali maybe. Yeah. Somebody asked me about Rang Badalti Odni. In fact, I just spoke to one of my directors from Rang Badalti Odni today and it felt very nice. Midnight surprise. Midnight surprise? What kind of surprise would you like? You tell me. Can you see my DP? No, yeah, at the moment I can't see anything because everything is just like flying by really quick. What did my parents give me? Our parents don't need to give me anything more than the love that they do, yeah. Itna to pyar milta hai ghar walon se. Come to China. I want to, yeah. I totally want to. Do we get a chance to see in Mauritius? Yeah, maybe, maybe if there's some, there's a show that I do there, then probably yes. But not at the moment, yeah. Hi to Sasha and uncle and auntie. Thank you very much. I will pass on the love. Hyderabad. Hello, thank you. Thank you very much. And I'm getting live flowers right now. Somebody just come home with a very cute bouquet. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. It's just that they don't know that I'm live, so this is probably embarrassing. They're not getting what is happening in front of me. You want to send me something? Please don't send me things, guys. Honestly, I keep telling you all this all the time, that you do not need to send me anything. There's already enough love, and I totally appreciate that and I love that. Am I a Virat Kohli fan? Who isn't, man? Virat Kohli is a rock star. Did you see him playing in the last season? He was crazy, yaar. मैं कहूँ पटियाला सुना रहा मजा आ जाएगा ना पटियाला के खाना खिलाओगे तो मैं आ जाऊंगा. So you tell me, if you're going to feed me well, I'll totally come to Patiala. Paris, the destination that you guys call me now, so exotic. I would totally love to just like pop in. What are my plans tonight? I'm going to have a little get together with all my friends, and that's the plan. And yes, that should be fun. Wow, so many just compliments coming in. मैं थोड़े सवाल के जवाब देना चाहता हूँ. एक hold on a second. रख तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ बाद में. रख के आप जाइए. Thank you. Hi Aditi. अहमदाबाद आ जाओ. अरे यार आ जाता हूँ. मेरे बड़े अच्छे दोस्त रहते हैं अहमदाबाद में. मैं पक्का आता. Cuba, dude, I really want to come to Cuba. Yeah. Who was that from Cuba? I've heard that they've opened up to tourism big time. In fact, you guys are shooting even one of those films there right now. Definitely would love to Cuba. I feel it's still stuck in old times, and that's the beauty of it. Would totally love to come and see it. यार थोड़ा धीरे लिख दो गाइस, मैं तो पढ़ ही नहीं पा रहा. हरियाणा. मैं काम करता हूँ, एक टूर बनाता हूँ अपना, जिसमें सारी जितनी भी सिटीज है ना, हरियाणा, पटियाला, कोई अगर चंडीगढ़ से, आई नो पीपल अमृतसर से, ऐसे ना मैं एक टूर बना लेता हूँ. एंड आई कम सी ऑल यू गाइज एंड से हाई टू एवरीबडी. यस, I have been to Ramoji Film City long time back, but no, not to work. I just wanted to check it out because I've heard like great things about it. Come to Kolkata. Kolkata तो बड़ा आता हूँ यार मैं. अगली बार आऊँगा तो पक्का बताऊँगा. So you guys know that I'm there. Let's have a dinner date. Somebody asked me. Why not? Hi Fatma. Takarians. Thank you. First of all, I want to take a moment and thank everybody. All the groups. All the fan pages, all the guys who made all these great things. Thank you to all three girls. You all know who you are, for the application. I know it's coming up, so that's great. I have my WhatsApp buzzing non-stop as well. This is crazy. Have I received the gifts from Tacker Universe? Can you tell me what you sent me? Yasharan something I saw. Visakhapatnam. Come to the United States. अभी तो था मैं पीछे वहाँ पर. My most memorable birthday. This is becoming quite a memorable birthday. Love from Pakistan. Love back. Let's drink coffee. Oh, I could really use a cup of coffee right now. I'm a coffee addict. What's my favorite ice cream? I think my favorite ice cream would be Choco Chips. I love that. London Dairy. Somebody asked me about marriage plans. This marriage word has been to scare me. I'm too young to be married. Do I like ice cream? Of course I like ice cream. Colorado, what's up? Chennai, what's up? So no, I'm not getting married anytime soon. कोई लड़की ढूंढ दो मेरे लिए अच्छी सी. How do Pakistani fans meet you? यार या तो आप यहाँ आ जाओ या मुझे वहां बुला लो. ऐसे हो सकता है. Somebody said don't get married. I love you for saying that. Thank you very much. Is my internet not working properly or is your internet not working properly? I don't know. Somebody asked me that. I want to meet you. I want to meet you too. Yeah, I'm not on Snapchat, guys. Sorry, it's just too much work. Handling all these platforms. And Snapchat's just an add-on. मैं पागल हो जाऊंगा अगर मेरे को Snapchat पर भी आना होता. Don't like करा. मैंने क्या बोल दिया? पता नहीं मैंने झूठ क्या बोला. चेन्नई आ जाओ. आता हूँ यार चेन्नई. श्रीलंका. What's up, Sri Lanka? Somebody said she's a Miss Sri Lanka. Can you come back? So I can read that again. My favorite food, my favorite food has to be home food, man. Just the whole idea of home cooked food is great. But I love sushi, I love Japanese food, I'm obsessed with Asian food. I want to meet you too. Nottingham, UK, please come. Yes, I want to, man. Why not? I met you at the Voice of India. Wow, really? Hi. Please make plans for Delhi. How are you? I'm great. Say something in... What do I say in Tamil? I don't know Tamil. Come to Pondicherry. In fact, I've heard such great things about Pondicherry. I really want to come. I want to come see the old French town, and I've heard that it's a great surfers paradise. So definitely want to come see that. Come to Visakhapatnam. यार तुम तो सारे मेरे को बुला लो. मैं एक ना साउथ का टूर बनाता हूँ और एक पंजाब का टूर बनाता हूँ. सबसे मिल लूंगा उसी बहाने, है ना? I want to meet you, bro. Bro, I want to meet you too. Sing a song. अगर मैं अपने घर में ऐसे mentally गाना गाऊंगा ना towards my camera, people are going to think that I've lost it. But these days, I think, there's one song that I'm obsessed with all over again is Gar Tum Saath Ho from Tamasha. I totally love that, yeah. What a film. I just saw it the other day again. It was... Sing happy birthday. Happy birthday! अपनी birthday पे खुद के लिए happy birthday गाऊं. वाह. कल भी यही कर रहा था. Same mind to Tamasha, Nishu Dubey. I love Tamasha. Yeah. Imtiaz Ali is God. I love him. Alright guys, let's do some fun questions before I have to go and get ready. Ashna, what's up? Speak in Bengali. Bengali, what do I know? Kemon acho? Balo Ashi. I learned a little bit of Bengali. I remember from Moni Roy when we were doing Jhalak together. I think she's the most beautiful Bengali actress we have in television. Stunning she is. Do I like Ranbir Kapoor? Of course. Who doesn't like Ranbir Kapoor? I think he's a fabulous actor. Describe some Salman Bhai. Salman Bhai. Yeah, that's the best way to describe him. Bhai is Bhai. Sat Sri Akal. Kitna? Jumbo High. I don't know if I scared you with that volume. Jumbo High. Do I like Salman Bhai? Yes, I like Salman Bhai. Who's this fan of Salman Bhai that's asking me about Bhai so many times? Hi Madhu, Deepika or Priyanka. Why not both? Yeah. I don't know, but this must be so random ना for you guys to watch. मतलब जो सवाल नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ कि मैं दूसरों के जवाब दे रहा हूँ and you guys have to watch this. Must be like crazy. What? Jumbo, what was that? Tell about SRK. What do you want to tell about SRK? Ajita, what's up? Priya. Somebody asked me about Alia Bhatt. What did you ask me? Am I on Snapchat? No, yaar, I'm not on Snapchat, yeah. One word for Virat Kohli, I think the future of Indian cricket team. Have I decided what to wear? Unfortunately, what I had to wear doesn't fit me, so I'm going to figure out now once I go back into my closet. If I was a girl, I would have been fretting right now कि मेरे कपड़े fit नहीं हो रहे मुझे. यार मैंने पंजाबी ना बड़ी थोड़ी सी आती है, तो मैं इन्नी गल करदा कर सकता हाँ. I sound like a spaz when I speak in Punjabi. With no disrespect to anyone. Tamil, yeah, मुझे Tamil थोड़ी आती है. Somebody said they called me last night. Did you? Thank you very much. Bum 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 bum. Your favorite corner at home? Exactly where I'm sitting, right here. This is my favorite corner in my house. You'll see me here having my chai. You'll see me having my coffee. You'll see me working on my laptop right here. And even right now I'm right here, having my chat on Periscope. And this angle looks better on me. My first crush was back in the day when I was really young. Yeah, I think I was about 12, 13. What did KD gift me? Why should I tell you? I'm not telling you. What about my future plans? बस यार future क्या काम वाम करना और क्या करना है? It's your English teacher. Who's my English teacher? Somebody asked me, show your arm muscles. Let me show off a little bit. Not very big on my arms. I don't like big arms, man. I think it looks thoda off. What's up, Ishika? Did I receive Ishika's gifts? You'll have to remind me what I... You'll have to remind me what are Ishika's gifts. How's Spain? Spain was amazing, man. I love Spain. I think I totally want to go back. Unfortunately, I just had 2 days in Spain last time. But yeah, I think, around IFA, if I do come for IFA, definitely I think I'll hang around longer in Spain, see Madrid, Barcelona, Ibiza probably. Hi, Ria. Takopedia gifts, you guys will have to inbox me whatever you all have sent me. मुझे ऐसा ना अभी top of the mind याद नहीं आ रहा. You all want to see me shirtless? Ha! Not right now. Where am I partying tonight? मैं नहीं बता रहा. Tell you it's in Juhu. Did you receive the gifts by everybody who sent me things? Sorry, man. On the top of my mind, I don't remember right now, but you can totally tell, just inbox me. How am I feeling? I'm feeling great. Yeah, a little hungry right now. Sorry, again, that English teacher thing I missed. Yeah, is this my English teacher from school? Or am I just reading something stupid? Hold on, let me get that message back. What's my dinner? Chicken and broccoli. Not very fun. Hold on, There's no season 2 यार of एक हज़ारों मेरी बहना है. काश होता, मजा आता करने में, fun होता. You're doing a fabulous job as an actor. Anchor. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, why not? Yeah, I'll cook for you also. Though I cook only salmon and fish. Norway or Sri Lanka? मैं तो कहता हूँ दोनों ही यार. Why only one? Though I don't mind Norway right now. Am I seeing balloons popping? Oh yeah, I am seeing balloons popping. Is that you? That's cute. When am I coming to Karachi? यार मेरे को बड़ा मन है यार पाकिस्तान आने का. Genuinely, I want to do a trip. To Karachi, to Lahore. बड़ा मजा आएगा यार. धोनी और कोहली दोनों यार. Why ना? India team needs both. ना? Why pick one? Oh yeah, I did get a Ganpati Murti that somebody sent me. It's a white and an orange, small little one. Yes, I did. You live in Karachi? Wow, somebody's abusing me non-stop also, yeah. Totally abusing me. I love these people who come and like abuse me behind all these things. Somebody said, yeah, we are sending you more gifts. Please don't. We love you. I love you too. My lips got me a little conscious now. Join Master Chef. क्यों नहीं? Star परिवार यार इस बार गया नहीं. I don't work on Star anymore, so they didn't call me. We love your lips, baby. My favorite place to travel. I think I'm a Goa addict. Yeah. I would love to just hang around in Goa and just like be there. Well, I'm gonna wear black tonight. Second Goa is Pondicherry. Yeah, I believe I've heard like great things about it. Yeah, unfortunately, I haven't traveled to Pondicherry yet. Favorite color? I think favorite color would have to be black. Yeah, black. Black is my favorite color. I'm always wearing black. No, I haven't received any purple color scrapbook. Yeah. What did I gift myself this birthday? I actually didn't gift myself anything this birthday. I'm shocked. Please come to China. Oh, that's Nishtha. Why not? Yeah. If I come, you better take me around. Ishika. Yeah, sorry if I'm missing out anybody's names, because, this chat just keeps going on really quick. By the time I can read somebody's name and read the question from them, it just goes away. So, any TV series that I watch, I just finished watching Breaking Bad. I know I'm really late in that, but I totally loved it. Right now I'm watching Better Call Saul. I watched Ballers, can't wait for season 2. It's insane. Whoever has not watched it, please watch it. Watch Quantico. Of course, yeah, watch Quantico. Yeah. We love Priyanka Chopra. How do Pakistani fans meet me? Yeah? I'm going to figure a way out. I will, promise. Come to Muscat. Everybody who wants me to come somewhere, I will try my best. Dairy Milk or Kit Kat? I think Dairy Milk. Na bachpan ki yaad hai Dairy Milk. Chalo guys, I think this is it. I've got to go now. And this is always fun to do with you guys. I can still see questions coming in. But thank you so much. Thanks so much for logging in. Thank you so much for all these birthday wishes. Thank you so much for making me feel special. Thank you so much for all this unconditional love through and through. I absolutely love you guys, and I hope to connect with you guys soon. I'm going to find a way and a time. And until then, thank you very much. Everybody who's telling me enjoy the party, thank you. And more birthday wishes coming in, thank you very much. Can you expect just pictures from the party? Well, we'll have to see about how explicit those pictures are. But definitely, thank you everybody for the wishes. I can see party hard. God bless. Enjoy the party. Thank you. Love you, love you, love you, love you. A big hug and kiss to everyone. Thank you guys. This was a lot of fun, and I am going to chat with you guys very soon. Thank you. Bye.